Today I am going to teach you how to add a new page in your WordPress site. I mean to say, if we don't have any page in our website, then we are how to able to add new pages in our website. Let's see who to manage and who to create different pages in our website. At this time we are in the dashboard of our WordPress. You will be see on your screen. This is the dashboard of our screen WordPress. In the dashboard you will be click on the pages. The all pages system will be show you onto your screen. You can see on your screen, and the screen you have to click on the add new pages, or if you want to edit and pages, quick edit, trash, over preview, all settings are available. At this time we are going to add home page for our website. Click the add new page button. After this, there you need add new page section will be appear on your screen. In this section you will have to add new screen here. Press the home. You write the name for your page home, and after this there you have to add description of this your website. Our company name is Moon Online Store. Add some description here. We are first of all we are enter the mostly website use this sentence. We use this sentence: welcome to my website. I am going to make some changes. This will be font style is paragraph mode. We are going to change the heading to, and going to set this center alignment. For the more control you have to click here, and I am going to change the font text here. Our website look like this: welcome to my website. You can also change again the different heading, different design of your website. I am going to use the heading 2, and the center alignment, the left alignment, right alignment. This is the center alignment. This is the color modification section. After this you have to enter some description of your website. Welcome to Moon Online Store. This is add some paragraph for your website. Best store for all kind of daily use product. We will deliver you all products to all over the world using the cash on delivery service. Other than, you can add some pictures here. Press the enter button. Using the add media, in the add media you can add some pictures from your gallery, but at this time we have no any pictures in this gallery, therefore we no upload any video here. Click on the video. You can add any image here. You can add more paragraph for your website, and again more paragraph for your website. Also you can add some bullets and numbers if you want to. This is bullets and number. We offer cash on delivery services. Click on the bullets numbers. Next, again enter fast service, free online delivery after $200 shopping. Then after this, create your page. You have to just click on the publish button. System will be publish your page. You can click on the, this is the paramlinks. System will be created for you. You have to right click and open a new tab. System will be show us this page, home page, look like our page that we are going to create. Welcome to my website. This is our paragraph that we are writing on our site. You can, after the creating the page successfully, if you need to edit anywhere, click on the page. All pages will be shown. Select your desired page and click the edit button. System will be again redirect to you in the same section where you want to edit this page. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching.